Hey everybody, welcome to Titans of CNC Academy. My name is Billy Boyce, and right now I'm going to take you through modeling the Titan 2M. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. First thing we want to do is make sure we are in the design workspace. And we're going to go ahead and just come up here in the top left-hand corner and click Create Sketch. Now it's going to ask us what plane do we want to create this sketch. Let's choose the top plane. And then we're going to come up to the top left again and select 2-point rectangle. Now I'm just going to click one time right in the center and drag down to the right. I'm going to type in 1.95. I'm going to press Tab and then 5. I'm going to press Enter. And there we go. So now we're going to come up here to Solid, say Extrude. Going to go ahead and automatically select the closed rectangle that we had there. And I'm just going to go ahead and type in -0.75 and then press Enter. And there we go. So now we're going to go ahead and put a chamfer on these corners. So we'll come up to Modify, Chamfer. I can select through the model and get that corner. So I'm going to do that. We have the chamfer type set on equal distances, so the only thing we need to do is say 0.250, enter, and there we go. So now let's go ahead and add the corner fillets. We'll go to Modify, Fillet. We have one here, here, there, here, here, these last two. And those are a 0.125. Enter, and there we go. Now we can go ahead and move on to the next print, sheet 2 of 3. Here we're going to add the 6 holes in the top. So I just went ahead and hit top. It rotated the view, so I was looking down at the part, and you can also kind of rotate it left and right that way. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and go to Create Sketch. I'm going to choose that top plane. I'm going to create some points. I'm going to go ahead and kind of look at the print and just kind of mimic the pattern a little bit. Now I'm going to press D for dimension. I'm going to go from our origin to this first point here. That's a distance of 2.125. Again, from the origin to here. 2.875, enter. From here to here, 2 inches. From there to here, 3. Now we'll go this direction, 0.35. Oops. 0.35, enter. From here to there, 0.975, enter. Here to here, 1.6, enter. And now we'll go ahead and use constraints to line everything else. We'll go horizontal, vertical. Make sure this one and this one are in line. This one and this one. This one and this one. We'll make sure this one is in line with this one, and that one with that one. Now we should be able to go Finish Sketch. We're going to go up here to Hole and go ahead and select your points. You might get a preview of a really big hole cutting your part in half. Don't worry about it. Just go ahead and try to select all 6 of those points, and then we'll fix that over here in the menu. Want to make sure we have 6 selected. We're going to go ahead and set that to distance. Hole type. It's going to be simple. We're going to tap it, so go ahead and select that one. We'll do full thread and an angled drill point. The call out for the depth is 375. Let's just go ahead and take that drill 1/2 inch. Want to set the drill tip to 140 degrees. Thread type is going to be a ANSI unified screw thread. And we want to make sure we go to quarter 0.25. The designation default is 1/4 and that's what we want, so we'll stay there. And we'll go ahead and leave the rest alone. We'll say OK. And there we go. Let's go ahead and move on to sheet 3 of 3. Here we're going to do a couple cutouts and some fillets and do the chamfer deburr. So let's go ahead and come up to create sketch. We'll choose that top surface and we'll do a 2-point rectangle. Now I'm just going to let it snap to the edge. I'm going to click one time and then drag over to the bottom edge and then click again. Again, just let it snap and snap. Now I'm going to press D for dimension. I'm going to go from our origin to the first line, 0.5, from here to here, 1.5, from there to here, 3.5, from here to here, 4.5. And we can see on the print that is a depth of 0.4. So we'll go up to solid, extrude, choose those two rectangles, type in -0.4. Enter. And now we have those cutouts. So let's go ahead and come up to fillet. We'll go ahead and choose our 8 edges that we just created by that cutout. And those are 20,000, so 0.02 and enter. So the only thing left now is to deburr these sharp edges on the top. So we'll go modify, chamfer, say there, 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 and the bottom. 0.01, enter, and there you go. That is the Titan 2M.